to achieve clear vision in just 7 days. Drink 1 cup of carrot juice every day. Carrot juice is more than just a drink. It's a natural vision booster. Packed with beta-carotene, your body converts it into vitamin A, which helps keep your cornea and retina healthy, allowing light signals to reach your brain for sharper vision. Drinking it regularly can reduce eye dryness, irritation, and trouble seeing at night. Carrots are also full of vitamins C, K, B6, potassium, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and may help prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. The fiber and potassium support heart health and stable blood pressure, indirectly protecting the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. The natural sugars in carrots are released slowly, helping keep your blood sugar steady, which is especially important for those with diabetes-related eye concerns. They also boost your immune system, aid digestion, improve skin and hair, and help your liver detoxify. By making a daily cup of carrot juice part of your routine, you're nourishing your eyes, supporting overall health, and gaining natural energy, all with one simple, delicious drink. Just 7 days of this habit can make your eyes and body feel noticeably healthier.